各位观众 you all won't believe why I am now doing this. I give you a clue, okay? It starts with K and ends with a F. It's not KFC. KFC ends with a C. Hello? Ta-da-da-da. It's actually Kofu. Okay, why am I at Kofu doing this? It's very random because I just had my lunch and I need to pass my contractor the stuff already. If I don't do it now, if I don't unwrap now to show you, you will never get to see it, and then they'll all get hung up already. So I better do it now. So this will form the first of my unwrapping series lah. Why unwrapping and not unboxing is because they usually come in bags lah. Although they also come in boxes lah, but you know 随便啦 unwrapping unboxing is just a name what 随便 okay. So I will show you stuff that I bought along the way so that it's like fun to open up and see. This I like a lot because I put in effort lah to source as usual. So I show you, okay? I show you quickly before I need to go off. Okay, first let's open this biggest one, okay? Actually I bought opening tools wait I have scissors in my bag. Sometimes these people they write until so jialat it's like some $1 million things are there, but it's usually 10多块 only. Then wrap until like this, but if they don't wrap properly, right, then if spoil, people complain again. So walao, it's very hard. People are very hard to please, including me. Walao eh, got more layers one not? Got more layers one no, walao. It's like joke box within a bag, within a box within a bag, within a box within a bag. 1 million layers. Tan 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 tan. Okay, this is damn nice. Damn nice. It's a door handle. Isn't it nice? It's so chrome. So bling bling. So we will attach to the door. Then screw in. Okay. I think this is a very good buy. I is happy. And I think my client will be very happy with this. Okay, so first one down. On to the second one. I is 没有时间 already. And I don't like to be late for my appointments because cannot take people's time for granted. Say 1 o'clock already, must meet at 1 o'clock. Okay. So I show you this one. So this is one of the decorative knobs that I will have on my carpentry feature wall. Turn. I show you first. Side profile, front profile. So it will stick out of my carpentry frame like this. You will see the black thing. Then the background is a bit of gold. So black against gold. Cute, right? Yeah, all these you see small things makes a lot of difference one. Hence I take pains to go and source lah. But I always say design or details makes the design. Okay. Number 3. Actually, sometimes I also can't remember what I ordered. Oh, this is the barn door hook. So at first my client say don't need a lock, but then after thinking, then he was telling me he needs at least a hook to hook it. So it's the old school kind of hook. Like that lah, when you're in the toilet you hook it, then you unlatch to open up your barn door. Okay? So it's more old school brass look. This is my barn door recess handle. So which means, imagine like this inside the carpentry, like this, that will be the recess handle. Okay, so because it's a barn door sliding, so just need to like a slide left, slide right oh. So Singapore I'm sure also can find this lah, but then need to go through so much. I find before lah, then it's !aiyo! Then I have to go and find the shop that sells, or the office that holds this, and then the office is in some ulu pandan place. Walao, so I don't want to go through all that again. So source online. So I'm very happy with these 4 things. So I cannot wait to use them. So as you can see, all these things are chio one, okay, chio one. And these are not inclusive of the kitchen cabinet handles that I bought, or those lucky chio, okay, a lot of details on, and then gold will make the whole kitchen rather bling bling. So I cannot wait to show you those in a couple of days lah, So let me wait there and grow some cobwebs first before they arrive. See ya.